Hi, this is Yasser Altaf and welcome to my channel Deep IT Knowledge. So in my last video we have seen how to configure Active Directory domain services and features as well as DNS server and its basic troubleshoot steps. In this video we will learn how to add a second domain controller. So let's start. So first we will set our LAN card properties. So I have given the IP address 21 and our primary DNS server's IP is 20. So once this server will promote as a secondary domain controller, we will use 21 as a secondary, or we can say alternate DNS server IP. Also I have set the host name as well. So let's see, sdc-01.lab.local, also joined to domain, we can see over here. So the same thing over here as well. We need to first add Active Directory domain services role and DNS role, which I have done already, because to make a short video, so I don't want to make a very lengthy video. So let's focus on promote. So we'll promote this server as a second domain controller. So as we can see, three options. It's not new for us now, because in the last video I have already explained. So we will select the first option. These are lab.local DNS. Okay, again this is not new for us. We have seen in last video what are these three options and its use. Yes, but here site name is the default first site name. Basically if you have multiple sites, do that we need to first create a site in Active Directory sites and services. I will show in my coming video, but now we will just keep in default site because we have only one site. And DSRM password, will set the password. Oops. Okay, click next. Okay, this window is something new for us. Now click it from. So basically if you have multiple domain controller server and you are going to promote another domain controller, so it's saying that from which domain controller you want data and you want replicate from which domain controller. So in our case we have only one domain controller, which is our DC-01. so it's our prime domain controller as well. So we want the secondary domain controller should communicate our DC-01 to take update. So we'll just click either this one, or if you have multiple domain controller you can click any domain as well, but it's not good to click any domain. Always select the primary domain controllers to get a proper update. So click next. Again the same, if you want to change you can able to change from here. Click next. Is a summary. Click next. So it looks good. Again we can see all checks successfully completed. Just click on install. All the data is replicating now. So whatever data is available in primary domain controller, all the data will get replicated to our second domain controller. Since the installation has been completed, so the server will get reboot. Close. Okay, so server has been rebooted. So let's see now. First we will look DNS server. We'll just make sure all the zones has been replicated or not. So click on tools, DNS server. So here in forward lookup zone, yes, we have all the zone has been replicated. Lab.com, lab.local, also reverse lookup zone. So if we compare with our primary domain controller, so is exactly the same. Whatever is here, all the data has been replicated here as well. As I said that once we will add multiple domain controllers, so the list will show here. So see, as we can see, the SDCA is already showing over here. So if you have 3, 4, whatever the domain controller, no matter multiple site, also all the domain control list will show here. So also we will open the Active Directory users and computer properties. So OU, sales, IT, and their users as well. Test, sales one. So as we can see, all the data has been replicated, and now onwards whatever you will do the changes either in primary domain controller or second domain controller. So if you do any changes in primary domain controller, it will get replicate to secondary and the vice versa. So always you have to make sure before you do any changes, even in secondary domain controller, twice you confirm and then do the change, because once you will delete, it will delete from the primary domain controller also. So just wait for my coming video, and thanks for watching.